BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned how we can look for trade because I mentioned we're looking for buy, but we can any buy will be short term. That's why we mentioned we can expect to get a bigger correction. This is what we get. But the only thing is if we put this one in relative to desktop, if we refer to indicators, we see the divergence. Okay. Okay, we can see start of the divergence because and even if we refer to this one, all right, because as we can see this one broke the previous top. All right, anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, it's better we start with higher time frame. Okay, as we can see based on daily chart, almost the price is top of this move. Now we want to see if we want to look for the continuation, we need to get the proper trade setup because we don't want to buy at the top in case this one turns to a more complex correction. Okay, because if we move to forward chart, again, first of all, we're looking for the trade for buy. We're looking at this one, the possibility of this one turn to similar to what we have here for one move up. But the next, if we want to look for buy, what we're looking for, we're looking for the price to break the previous stop. All right, that's why we need to be quite careful buying. I mean, as long as the price haven't break the previous stop. Okay, the reason is still we can expect for internal correction relative to this for one more drop if this one turned to bigger correction because we don't want to buy the top of the corrective move. All right, and how we can look for trade, if the best is we move to 1 hour chart, we're looking at this flat. Any buy with the flag, we can take the trade or we can have entry above the top. It depends on the traders. But as long as the price haven't break the previous top, any trade within this one we consider as a short, and we should have a proper management. That's why having entry above the top can be really risky. The simply price tag and drop in case it turn for bigger correction. Anyway, still we don't have any reversal point. That's mean we're looking for buy. The only thing is we should be aware of the divergence. That's why any buy from here, if it sees the price cannot break the previous top, we should be aware about the divergence and even bigger per correction based on what I may show based on forward chart. All right, that's why if we get any trade, what we're looking for the sharp move. And the best thing is we wait for the trade setup rather than having entry above the top. But having entry above the top is can be an option, but it depends on the traders how they can manage. And what I want to say is that we're looking for buy as long as the price haven't break the previous top, as long as the price is within this range, any trade will be short-term trade, and we're looking for the sharp move, not the corrective move. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.